Hello friends, this is Irmila Kane Sutarwala, and today I would want to say just a small thing. There are a lot of us who say we are not successful in XYZ things. We are not, climbing the ladder that we need to. We are putting so much of efforts, maybe in our personal life, maybe in our relationship, maybe in our job front or business. So what is it that is stopping us from doing this? Now let's see a small thing that we start from in the morning. What do? We wake up at 7 in the morning. We pick up our cup and pour our tea in that particular cup, which some of us have this habit of having that particular tea in that particular cup or coffee in that particular cup. So we pick up that cup. We'll pour our tea or coffee. We go on that we go to that place or that chair and we sit where we sit every day. So that is important. And for us at that time, if we do not sit on that chair or have our coffee, it feels uncomfortable. It's like not having the coffee at all. So we feel comfortable when we sit at that place every day that we are used to sitting. The same thing happens with the paper. We take the paper, we open the paper, the first thing that we read is our favorite column, and then we move on with that. So what happens now that all these things fall in place? What does it make us? It makes us very rigid in our thoughts, rigid in our behavior. That's not all, friends. Some of us even have the habit of not sleeping on the right side of the bed because we're so used to sleeping on the left side of the bed. Then I have seen people, or I have friends who carry their pillows, their quilts, their blankets to their holidays and their destination, wherever they are going. Why? Because they need to be comfortable. Otherwise, they wouldn't be able to sleep. So what is all this? This all is just rigidity. So if we just change the way we are, just change the way our outlook is towards ourselves. It's not important to have tea in that same cup. Change the cup. And you will see, when you do these small changes, you will see that you get so flexible. And this makes you receptive. This makes you understand other people's point of view. This makes you... This is like a staircase to success. If you are not going to be open to others' point of view, if you are not going to be open to other people's opinions, how are you going to succeed? Be it even in our personal lives or relationships or any kind of situation that we are in, we all need to be receptive. We all need to understand the other person's point of view and move on. It is a very smooth road, but we make this journey so rigid that we do not want to understand anything else. And then we say, I don't know, I put in so much of effort that nothing is happening. But change the way you look at things, change the way you do things. So instead of, we unconsciously just go and pick up this pen with our right hand and we start writing, or we take the food with our hand because we are used to it. So now what I want you to do is just 2-3 things. What I want you to do is, from today, pick up the pen with your left hand. Even write with your left hand. Eat your food with your left hand. Change the way you do things. Maybe have your tea or coffee in another cup. Or maybe shift the side of the bed that you're sleeping in. It makes a lot of difference, friends, because when you do this, you get used to, your body, your mind gets used to being flexible. And with being flexible, you will not only have a good relationship, good business deals, or make new friends and have a nice friend circle, or have a nice rapport with somebody, but you will also succeed very effortlessly in whatever you're doing. So these small changes in your life makes a huge difference. Start from today and you will see the difference. In 7 to 10 days you will be used to working differently and using different stuff, and once you are used to that, drinking in that particular cup, then you need to change and go to another cup. So this makes you more flexible, and making you flexible and doing these things are only making you aware of the thought. Because when you need to pick up a cup, a different cup, we just go, we pick up our cup and we will pour the tea. But now if you're making an effort to change, you need to consciously think and be aware that, oh, this is not the cup I need to use, I need to use this cup. So it only does not only make you flexible, but it also will make you aware of the thoughts that are going on in your mind. And slowly and steadily, this will be a routine in your life. So whenever you are getting used to certain things of life, learn to change. The only way you will be able to be flexible and be aware of things around you. Have a very, very safe day. Stay home and love you all. Meet you soon in my next video.